there, I'm Mariana from Crafting Happiness. Welcome to my channel. Here I post crochet patterns and tutorials every week. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the classic granny square and how to make it as big or small as you like. I'm using a run yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. You should use a matching hook to your yarn. To begin, start with a magic ring. And we will be crocheting our first round inside this magic ring. Start by chaining 3, and this counts as your first double crochet in a round. Then make 2 double crochet inside the magic ring. Chain 2 and then make another set of 3 double crochet in that ring. Again, chain 2 and 3 double crochet inside the ring. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet inside the ring. And finally, chain 2. And now we will close the round by slip stitching at the top of the chain 3 you made at the beginning. So insert your hook in that top chain you made and slip stitch. And this is how your first round looks like. All you have to do now is take the tail from the magic ring and pull it to close the hole in the middle. And this is your first round. And now we continue working in a round without turning, and we will start our second round by chaining 3, and chaining 3 at the beginning always counts as a double crochet. Next we will do 3 double crochet inside this chain 2 space in a corner here. So make 3 double crochet, then we chain 2, and again we make a 3 double crochet inside that chain 2 space. And this will count as our corner, and you can see it forms yet another corner. So now we move into the next chain 2 space and we do the same. We make 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and then 3 double crochet again in the same chain 2 space. And now we formed another corner. Move on to the next chain 2 space and we'll do the same, 3 double crochet, then we chain 2 and then again 3 double crochet, another corner formed, And now we are in our last chain 2 space, and we will form the corner here as well by making 3 double crochet in that chain 2 space. Then we chain 2, and because we already have this chain 3 that counts as a double crochet, we only need to make 2 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. So let's do the 2 double crochet, and now all we have to do is close the round by slip stitching at the top of chain 3 you made at the beginning. So insert your hook in that chain and yarn over and pull through all, and that will close your round. And this is your second round. And now we are going to move to the third round, and on this round we start working in between clusters. So in these spaces right here, and in these spaces we only make 3 double crochet clusters. So to start your first double crochet between these 2 spaces, let's single crochet in that space and then chain 2, and this is your first double crochet. Now we're going to make 2 more double crochet. Now we move to the next space, and the next space is a chain 2 space, and that indicates that we need to make a corner. So we will do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet inside this chain 2 space. Okay, so we have 2 and 3 double crochet, then we chain 2, and again 3 double crochet in that chain 2 space. Okay, and this is how you form the corner. Now move on to the next space, and that is a space between the clusters, and we're just gonna simply make another cluster in that space. So make 3 double crochet in that space between the 2 clusters. There you go. And now find the next space, and that is a chain 2 space. Again, we are doing a corner in there. So make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then another set of 3 double crochet inside that chain 2 space. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now we move into the next space, and that is a space between 2 clusters. So simply make another cluster of 3 double crochet in there. Next space is a chain 2 space, so we make a corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same space. Next space is between clusters, so make 3 double crochet, next space it's a corner, which is our final corner, so let's make 3 double crochet in there, two chains and another set of 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. And all we have to do is join it to close, and to do that we find the top chain, so this single crochet and 2 chains that counts as a double crochet, we go into the top chain there and slip stitch. Okay, there you go, and we close our third row, and this is how it looks like. And the formula is quite simple. You make your corners in the chain 2 space, and in between clusters you make another cluster. So I will show you on round 4 one more time what I mean. So we are right here, we ended in between 2 clusters, but because we are at the end of it, we are just gonna do 1 double crochet in there, and that is a chain of 3, and that is your first double crochet, and you will be in between these clusters. Now we'll continue to the left and around, and when we reach the end we will make the rest of the 2 double crochet to complete the cluster. Now all you have to do is work in every space, and if it's a space between 2 clusters, you make 3 double crochet, and if it's a chain 2 space, then you make one of these groups of stitches that I call corners, and it's basically 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that chain 2 space, and that will form the corners of the square. Okay, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and again 3 double crochet. Then you look for your next space, and that is between clusters. So you have 1 space, 2 spaces. We will make 2 clusters, 1 in each. So 3 double crochet in that space between 2 clusters. Then again move on to the next space and make 3 double crochet. And we reached a corner again, so we do the corner stitches, which is 3 double crochet, chain 2, and again 3 double crochet. And we will work like so around the square, the granny square, and we will do 3 double crochet between each 2 clusters, and in the corners we'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and you'll go around the square like so. So let's just finish this round, and I'll show you how it looks like once it's completed. So let's make our 3 double crochet in each space between the 2 clusters, and then 3 double crochet in a chain 2 space, chain 2, and 3 double crochet again, now again 3 double crochet in between the clusters, and this 3 double crochet forms a new cluster, another space between clusters, so make 3 double crochet, and we reach our last corner. Make 3 double crochet inside it, chain 2, and another set of 3 double crochet. Okay, so now we reach our first double crochet we made in between those 2 clusters, and we need to complete this cluster by making 2 double crochet in that space. And now you can close the round by slip stitching at the top of that chain 3. So slip stitch inside it, and this is how your 4th round looks like. And you can continue making these rounds until you have the size you desire, and you can even create an entire blanket just by making these rounds. And just remember, you make 3 double crochet between the clusters, and you make the corners, which are 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, only in the chain 2 spaces. And this is how you crochet the granny square. Happy crocheting!